Ready to bring your business idea to life? The Launch Your Small Business with Confidence Workbook is your step-by-step guide to move from idea to launch with clarity. Inside, you'll find interactive fillable pages packed with tools, templates, and exercises to help you start strong and stay focused. In Module 1, you'll explore the realities of entrepreneurship, assessing your readiness and mindset for business ownership. Module 2 helps you vet your business idea by identifying your ideal customer, analyzing competitors, and defining your unique value. In Module 3, you'll learn the essentials of business formation, from choosing the right legal structure to registering your business, setting up systems, and meeting compliance requirements. Finally, Module 4 walks you through developing a strategic plan that turns your goals into actionable steps and prepares you for growth. Whether you're just getting started or ready to refine your vision, this workbook helps you launch with confidence and direction. Visit